Okay, so one thing that YouTube does really well is that it gives you a ton of analytics. And a lot of people see the analytics on the desktop, which is fine. But if you're not using the Creator app, you're missing out. You could check your analytics, you could answer questions, you could do a whole bunch of different things. So I want to give you kind of like a walkthrough if you want to see it that way. And again, if you haven't downloaded the Creator app, you're missing out. It is critical to your success here in YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open the Creator app right here. And we're going to start taking a look at this very, very quickly. This is going to be for this channel right here. And I do have multiple channels, but we're going to start here on the channel. And again, I'm going to go to the dashboard. And this is kind of like the dashboard right there. You see Content Creator Tool channel has 60 subscribers. Some of the analytics in the last 28 days, it kind of gave you an idea. As you guys know, I started this channel very, very recently, a few months ago. And this month we have, in the last 28 days at least, we have 5.6 thousand views, 123 hours of watch time, and subscribers 19. So again, 60 subscribers, very, very proud of it. We're going to push, we're going to continue to go. And remember this, everyone starts at zero. I got another channel with 65,000, a little bit above this one. And this one is a brand new channel. And we're going to put the hard work, right? So again, if we go down a little bit down, you're going to see some of the information in this video I just posted today. Again, it gives you a ranking, the first 1 out of 10. So in the last 10 videos, this has done the best in 5 views. And you see some of the videos that I got right here pending to go live, as well as some of the comments in here as well, right? But I'm going to go right here to content. It's going to give you a list of all videos that you have. I do have a lot of videos. This video right here recently started taking a lot of views. And you guys can see as I'm doing this and I'm talking to you guys how the amount of information that we have, right? Like this video right here is number 1 out of 10 in the last 3 days. It has 264 views and it's doing pretty fantastic, right? If I click here, go to analytics, you see some of the analytics. Again, you could do this individually by video or you could do it as a channel as well. Again, you can see right here 264 views. If I go a little bit down, you see where the traffic, YouTube recommendations is where all the traffic is coming from. So essentially YouTube is actually promoting this video. You see more information right here, real-time information, and again, just tons of information, guys. Rich impression. Impression is actually how many times people have seen the videos. Views will be like when people actually click on the videos. And again, you see some of the information over here. Suggested video, external size, abs, YouTube search terms. I like this. The Apple Watch 7. That's the term that people are searching and finding out your video. And I love this as well. Videos that are suggested that video as well. We're going to go into engagement. You see some of the engagements in there. Audience as well. You see some of the audience. You won't see monetization yet because this channel, it is now monetized. But if it will be monetized, you will be seeing some of that information. If I come here to analytics, now we're looking at the channel here last 28 days. But then you can kind of search into a lot more the last year by month and all that. I like to do 90 days. And the reason why is because you could see the graph. And as you can see, in the last 90 days, they say I have gotten 690% more views. And you could see the spike. That's telling me that this channel is doing fantastic. I need to continue to produce content and continue right here, right? But again, I could do a whole year and let's do last 365 and you kind of gonna see it right here. A big one is going to be time watch or watch time. I know you need to have 4,000 hours to be monetized. So let's see, last 365 days, we have 269. So we got a way to go, but we're going to continue to push forward, right? We have subscribers as well. And again, here we're going to have the top videos in the last 28 days. This is fantastic. I love seeing this information. When I see videos like this and I notice that some of these videos are old, it's telling me that these videos are ranking. And in the last 48 hours, it's getting 631 views. And the reason why is because we just got a video that started getting a ton of views. I just recently posted, and that's definitely great. You see some of the content right here. Again, how viewers find your videos, that's critical information. Key moments in your audience retention. I mean, you guys seeing all the information. Returning subscriber. I love this graph right here. When are your viewers are on YouTube? This is a good graph right here because it allows you to kind of find out what is the best time for you to release content, right? Based on this, you could kind of see when you could release the content. They say a lot that you could find the time where all your viewers are there and then kind of push back 2 to 3 hours and release your content during that time. You see the ages of people are watching, the gender, and I mean, just a lot of stuff. Top country where people are watching from, watch time from subscriber versus non-subscribers. Again, lots of information. I just love it. One of the best things that I like, or one of the things that I do the most right here, is the comment tab. So again, here as you see the comments, you could just reply to comments. Very easy. You could click here, and again, you see me replying to comments, right? So very easy. You could do that. And again, you see the playlists that I have built there as well. So again, if you don't have the Studio Creator app, I'm telling you, you're missing out. This app is fantastic. You really need to get it. It's going to help your YouTube channel a ton. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you on the next one.